Umaambon na naman, nakakainis.
Salera, baby. So guys, winter time guys. Oh, yung ganda dito ay maganda yung view dyan, no? Sa part na yan. Picture mo siyang. Tanggalin mo kasi yung ano niya, yung hoodie niya. Hindi okay lang yan. Picture tayo kaya Ebo.
Kaya nga eh.
Ayan o, yan o.
Mama.
Ihaya, take a picture together with Mama. Yeah?
Listen.
Ayan, ibigay mo lang kay Ebo. Tapos, ayan yung mga.
Picture siya kami.
Kaya nga. Excuse mo.
Patapos ito.
Sabalera. Hoan. No, don't go there.
Ito lang ulo.
Laut kanina.
Wait lang, tingin lang ito. Kain dalawa na, ano ko muna kain dalawa.
Let's go, Hoan. Hoan, dito.
Come here.
No.
Ayos mo.
Like that.
Ano yun? Lowa?
Hoan.
Ayos ka.
Look, Papa. Ay, look, Mama. Nakakagota ng video rito. Promise on you. Ha? Oo.
May mga pasit siya ako.
Yung?
Kahit tayo pasit siya.
Sige na dyan, pakuha ka dyan. Dyan na Ebon. Oh! It's raining. Ay, thank you. Hoan. Thank you so much. Tingnan mo nakuha niya.
Ganda. Wala na kasi maho. Anak mo eh. Kaya nila maganda ko kay anak mo na kasi maho. Hawan. Ano na?
Guys, you need to watch my vlog.
Mahaba to ah. Gandun to.
Tara.
Let's buy some, ano mo na.
Later na.
Water.
All na to. Oh, go. Buy some water. Go.
I want, may iba sa'yo. Sabihin naman siya.
Also, many pigeon, Hoan, no?
Hawan.
Hoan, careful.
Careful ko sa okay.
You saw that old guy a while ago? He sleep, right?
Ano old guy?
Yung, ano kanina doon yung nadulas, yung sinasabi ko sa'yo. Pigeon. Go. Oh no!
There are already that you can get them and you can eat them.
Yeah, no! They're very good. You need to get some food and feed them.
So you will happy. So you be our pets.
Yeah.
I need food. So,
What
oh,
food?
look, it's flying.
Go, 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 go to mama. That's first mama. Yeah, that's mama. Oh. Go.
Yeah. I want to play.
Where?
Pigeon.
Look, play with the pigeon. Go. Look, wing girl. Look, the girl. So, go. Why is she's kicking the pigeon?
What?
You go, go, go. You can play with her.
What? Skin?
No, don't tell that. Don't tell that.
No how?
Nah, but don't tell that. They're flying. Ayan o.
Nak!
Careful ha.
Ano mga ano?
Ano yan? Ayup ano? Nagtagpan mo yan, nakupo tayo.
Live na nakalap natin
Let's go! Hawa, let's go! Ang tubig niya.
Kumasa.
Dapat ka yung nag-call ka mo yung takta na. Hi daw Hawan, oh. Sabi ni Tita Fatima, oh. Hi!
Chicken.
Wow! Wow! Ang ganda ng kuha niya. Makuha na mo tayo ng video yan, Ebol. Ikaw, naka-live ako eh. Yeah, they're eating. Ebol, bigyan mo siya ng konti. Tapos, bawal. What? They're hungry. Now, let's go.
Go there!
Oh, go, 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 go. Give them a little food. Oh, go, 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 go. Take a picture. We take a picture with the birds. May rent a bike pala doon eh. Oh. Send stars naman po, send stars dyan. Hawan! Oh, don't run!
Don't run like that!
Slippery.
Very slippery. I told you how many times.
Yeah.
Look mo, wala nagraran. Ikaw lang nagraran sa akin lahat. Kasi slippery. Tag mo sa may phone ko para hindi mo na yung naka-connection.
What's that?
The bridge.
Oh, no, no,
Oh,
no,
one no.
no. Diba tayo binibidyohan mo ah? Sabi ko sa'yo, harap-harapan na. Diba? Nakatutok pa eh.
I promise I'm young.
I want to.
Burger King.
Mama.
Gusto, parang mga European na lang. Oh,
Mama.
pagkakita tayo ng pagkakita na tayo dito tayo.
Ito po yung my bird.
Funky question, map.
Ganda ng pagkano niya. No?
Lamig to.
Owen. It's cold. Ulit na ulit guys.
It's double swimway.
Over there. Do you know where's the over there? The where with the dog? Owen.
Pagkakita ng mga followers mo, Hawan. Mag-hi ka sa kanila. Ito sa video.
Wembe. Easy.
لا يسمى سيك اوفيامنت قال له ما نعرفش ما لينا ما قالوا لنا شيء
Owen. Well, there's no toy here.
Nakakatawa naman kasi ng ano eh. Walang toy doon.
Wala, dun yung toys dun. Wembley.
Careful ka sa kilos mo para di ka maano. Oh, dami tao. Parang langgam.
Dami tao. Dami tao. Metanglaw, Ebon, metanglaw.
Metanglaw.
Metanglaw, tiulay. Alino ko lahat ng set. Dito mo dyan. Hindi, dyan lang. Dito yung mga tao eh. Anong croissant?
What do you want to eat later?
Anything.
What do you want to eat later? Makdo!
Yan nga nakita.
Ayaw dito.
Later.
Later. What?
Later! Hungry ka na ba? Later na. What?
Pigeon? Where?
Oh, one, we have the pizza Italiano.
Pizza Italiano.
Pizza Italia.
Pizza Italiano.
Diba favorite mo yun mga papa?
Awarte na tayo! Awarte!
Yeah.
Go! 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 Owen, go! Wow, there's a lot of toys. Careful! Wow! I saw something! Kita niya. Wow! Dude.
Which we gave you a good match. Smart starting stone. You play good. That's Lewandowski. And you? Which one?
Philippines! Ay, it's okay.
You, come here.
Baka binibenta niya yan. Dapat i-video mo, Ebol. Wow! Filipino song! Ebol, i-video mo. Wow. Filipino song, Ebol. Paglagay kay Ebol. Wow! Very famous song in the Philippines. Made in China. Are you selling that? Yung may mga binibenta niya yan.
Wala akong points.
And you live in Philippines?
Yeah.
Wala akong points.
Bahala ka dyan. Magagalit sa'yo yan.
Ngayon ay maladi ka na.
Howard.
Nais mo'y maging malaya. Di mo silong walong magagawa. This is a very good song, yes?
Yeah. Very famous song in the Philippines.
Haligan ang iyong atang sinuwang mo.
Give.
At ang iyong mga kaibigan ng buwan ng timog napapansin.
Well, dapat binibideo mo pa rin. Sayang yun, pang reels. Thank you!
Hey, I like your shoes, pink. Hey, that's a nice shoe.
Thank you! Dapat binibideo mo yung ano niya, yung wakan doon.
Howard, na you're very shy naman. Howard.
St. John's Cathedral.
St. John. Ano yan?
Simbahan. Stop ko na nga. Baka mamaya malabo na rin.